So this project we worked on during our summer term, and we just unveiled it this November in the fall. Did a mural over at Foster Park in collaboration with the Foster Park Revitalization Collaborative and also with the Ingham Substance Awareness and Prevention Coalition.
Beach bubbles that have chalkboard paint for people to ride in. So lettering and background, spray paint, faces.
I did a lot of the background on the mural, like the color gradient.
Do you wear like gear? Yeah, we had some paint done by
Hopefully it'll raise awareness that most teens, don't do drugs and alcohol. And it'll shine on more what kids like to do. So maybe if most people see that, they'll put more funds towards that stuff.
We had help from some guest artists, one named Samskee, who's a local graffiti writer, as well as Eric Schantz, another graffiti artist in the area.
Fun to come up with the ideas and see what we were doing and work around it, because there were some bumps and stuff to do and work around that we had to figure out, but it all ended up looking really nice.
To do the interactive mural was so that people can, write stuff on a chalkboard, and it's a community thing. It's at a park where a ton of kids will probably engage with it.